What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a secret shopper job. I have been refreshing this app almost every day, and I got an email yesterday saying that there's a $20 job at Target for today only, and it's from like 12 to 4. It is 2 o'clock now. I'm just now finishing doing a DoorDash Uber Eats lunch rush. I'll go over how they pay out at the end of the video. So this is what it looks like. We are at Target and you're going to click the Target job. There are multiple available. I can make $37 while being here on 5 missions. I'm gonna do this one that's $20. And then as you see, there are more. Of course, this one's come first. It is $20. We're gonna view it. And it gives you the whole breakdown before you even go into the store. This is the highly caffeinated mission. It's going to take 10 to 15 minutes. Normally, I'm like half the time. I am very quick. Even at my first couple ones I did, I was very quick. I just realized you could see me. 1 to 3 photos, 5 to 9 questions. So normally these jobs won't have you ask any questions to any employees, or if they do, it'll be like 1 or 2, and it will tell you up front, like this one's telling us. I have social anxiety. I don't like talking to people or asking questions, you know, so we're just gonna go with the flow. This Target right now is completely packed. It took me so long to find parking, and I'm not a Target girly. Okay, I do not know this Target layout. All it tells me is start your mission before entering the store. You will need to looking for a Nespresso sampling cart. Okay, you will need to looking, okay, grammar, for a Nespresso sampling cart. You may need to speak to an employee. So we are here. I'm going to start it and just give you guys the rundown of what we're expected to put into the app. So when you're ready, please head into the store and look for the Nespresso sampling carts. This is the cart we will be looking for. Nespresso handout. You will likely find in the grocery department. If you cannot locate it, please ask an employee for assistance. Okay, got it. Moving on. Is the Nespresso sampling cart present in the store? So this is where we'll start answering the questions. So we gotta go inside. Alright, this store is huge. I feel like I'm in a mall. I haven't seen it yet. I walked through one side of the grocery, and now I'm walking on the other side of the grocery aisles. I don't see it. Should be by the coffee. Alright, I got the picture ready to take, so as soon as I see it, I could bust that out from a distance. I don't see it yet. I passed the coffee and it was nowhere in sight. Alright, that one was chips. This one there is V8. After doing 3 full laps around the grocery area, I did not find what they were looking for, so I clicked no, and then it had me take more pictures. It says please take a photo of the coffee or coffee appliance aisle. Alright, we are out. I've never done a mission where I couldn't like take the pictures that they wanted, so. Alright, so here is the overview. There was no cart present. I took a picture proving that I didn't see it in the grocery area, and then the coffee aisle. Did you encounter any other issues during this mission that made it difficult? I'm gonna change that to yes, because there were a lot of customers and they don't want you taking pictures of any customers or employees. So we're going to finish the mission and I will let you guys know what they say. So it is reviewing everything. It usually takes a couple days for it to complete, and this will be $20.25. I'll put on the screen the payments going through. So when you use this Secret Shopper app, you cannot say the name of the app. If an associate does ask you like, what are you doing? Why are you taking pictures? You could like already have something in mind. Like when I was taking pictures at Publix of the honey in a previous video, I'll link all 3 of my Secret Shopper app videos down below, but in one of them I had like ready in my mind, if somebody asks me why I'm taking pictures of this honey, I'm gonna say, oh, my husband's allergic to a certain ingredient that they put in honey, and I'm taking pictures of the ingredients and sending it to him, seeing which one he could get, or something like that, okay? So just have a quick response. Like, they kind of don't really care if you're taking pictures, but if somebody does ask you, you cannot say, oh, I'm a secret shopper. Like that, this app does not want you to associate them in any way. So yeah, okay, and then getting paid. So I honestly don't mind. I wish we could put in a PayPal and just, you know, cash out. I get a lot of questions asking why they don't use PayPal, where you could just send the cash to your PayPal, but they pay out in gift cards. There's also a Visa card option, which I've used it before. It worked seamlessly. I put the Visa card numbers into a website. I was buying something and it worked perfectly as if it was my debit or credit card. It starts at $5. There are so many to choose from. And then $10, and you just go up to like however much money you got in there and you cash it out. So I use the Dunkin' one a lot. I'm a Dunkin' girly. And there's Amazon. Where's the Amazon? Starbucks, Target, Home Depot, Uber Eats, Walmart, and here is the Visa card. Like I said, I always use the Amazon, Dunkin', and I have tried the Visa card just to report to you guys how easy it works. I just put that gift card into my Dunkin' and it works just as if I put money from my bank straight into my Dunkin', okay? I also have a 4-digit referral code. If you add that when you're signing up, you'll get a bonus for signing up. I think you have to do like 1 job to activate it. I'm not sure, but it's just extra money for you to start with. That's just a basic run through of the Secret Shopper app that I have been loving lately. Sometimes there's like $4 jobs, and then sometimes I did a $50 job in one of my videos, and this one was $20. So let me know if you want me to do more of these Secret Shopper videos, and let me know if you try it out, how you like it. And that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.